Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the first day of what I eat in a week. If you're wondering why I look like this and why I sound like this, it's just because I am sick. Cheers to that. But today for breakfast, I'm gonna have literally like the easiest recipe ever. We're gonna have 2 ingredient pancakes. You need 1 banana and 2 eggs. When I first saw this recipe, I was like, okay, so we're having like an omelet with banana, which sounds absolutely disgusting, but when I tried it, I actually kind of liked it, so. So quick and easy, and to be honest, this is one of my favorite recipes, especially paired with like maple syrup and some fruits and maybe nuts, and it's amazing. But today I decided to go with blueberries and some maple syrup on top. They're not as fluffy as your regular pancakes, but come on, like it's 2 ingredient pancake. Oh my god, these are good. Oh my god, I'm impressed. To have some dumplings because I don't know, it's easy, it's quick again, and I don't have to do anything besides like put it in the steamer. So dumplings are really good if you steam them or fry them on your pan, and I really like both situations, but I think I gravitate towards like steamed dumplings more. So cheers, they're super delicious, and you just steam them for like 7 minutes or so. This recipe is a little harder, and it's just because you have to find certain ingredients that you cannot substitute with other ingredients, and you can find them only in like Asian stores. But to be honest, if you have an Asian store like somewhere around you, you 100% will find all the ingredients that are listed here because they are super popular, and takoyaki is one of the most popular street foods in Japan, I believe. This is a special grill that you will need to create takoyaki. You cannot skip this step, unfortunately. That's the only way how you do it. is just to die for. You're gonna be amazed. This is gonna be your like next favorite recipe. And it seems like a lot of work, but if you have an Asian store nearby, just go and grab ingredients and try it. I mean, it's perfect. Good morning, everybody. It's actually not morning, it's 1 p.m. For today's breakfast, I decided to go with something a little more, you know, nutritious, just because it's already like dinner time. So today we're gonna have an avocado toast with some bacon and with a poached egg on top. And oh my god, this is one of my favorite go-to recipes. And I'm super excited because I'm hungry, and I'm sipping on my tea because it's my snack these days. I just cannot survive without it. So for my dinner, I decided to eat leftovers just because they're gonna go bad pretty soon. We got some sushi rice, onions, salmon, what is this? Cucumber, avocado, green onions, and like special sauce. I don't know. I usually don't order things, but when I'm busy, like super busy, or when I'm feeling sick, that's when I order. So yeah, I need to finish this. Because my husband is at work still, so I'm not waiting because I'm hungry. I also like to add like tuna, maybe some avocados would be nice, but my husband is not a fan of avocados, so whatever, but it's really, really good. Good morning, everybody. So today we're having pancakes again, just because I told my husband that they were quite good. He didn't believe me, so...
I believe you.
No, you didn't.
Oh, they're nice. They're very banana.
That's not the reaction I was waiting for.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
No! You don't even know how to eat your pancakes. You're supposed to cut them like this.
They can see.
Quick little snack. Do you want some?
Yep.
So it's already 12:54 and I haven't had anything today, so I wanted to do something real quick because I have a lot to do again. I'm gonna have oatmeal with a little bit of cinnamon, not a little bit, okay, and with like nuts and berry mix, something like that. So yeah, we'll see. I'm just gonna add everything to my plate and see what happens, you know. like to add a lot of sweetener to my porridge, especially like honey or sugar, just because, I don't know, I don't like it. But the maple syrup with cinnamon and with nuts, it's to die for. So I really like this combination, and I just add a tiniest bit because I don't like my porridge to be super sweet. So it turned out delicious. So I filmed a video and I'm rewatching all the footage that I got, and I also ordered myself some matcha and a little bit of food, a hot matcha latte because my throat, and avocado toast. So this is gonna be my lunch for today, and in the evening my husband requested pasta, so that's exciting. Haven't had pasta in quite some time. I don't know what they put in there, but it's good. So for dinner, we're having pasta with shrimps. And can you tell us what's in there? Because my husband... Let me introduce you to my husband, because I keep calling him my husband.
Because I'm your husband, that makes sense.
Yeah, but his name is Ilya. And he's gonna tell you what's in there because he cooked dinner.
So a little bit of love plus...
No, get to the point.
Pasta, oil, salt, water. I don't cook very often.
It's delicious, thank you. Alright, so for today's recipe we will need some milk, 3 eggs, condensed milk, which is, I don't know, mine looks kind of disgusting, some flour, butter, salt, the toppings of your choice, and I also use some sugar, but you can skip this step depending on which toppings you will choose. For today, I decided to create some sweet pancakes, which means that I'm going to be using some berries, and also I'm going to make some with salmon. We don't want this mixture to be very liquidy, so I'm adding all of the flour in right now. When you see that there are no lumps, you just add the rest of the milk and your butter. Corona.
Yes.
Little update.
I don't feel bad today.
You told me you were sick. Then you need to hang the lamp.
Yes, Corona stuff is real. So yeah, sometimes it's hard to breathe, especially if I would drill something. There would be a lot of, you know, the small particles, a lot of dust. So yeah, I guess it's not the bad thing right now.
Oh no. So as you can see, I'm editing a video and I'm eating my lunch. For lunch today we got some soup with bok choy and prawn dumplings. And this is a shrimp roll. It's so good with like sweet and sour sauce. And I've already eaten 2 of those, so this is my lunch.